When you think of the beach, most likely you think of sun and fun and walking in the sand and playing in the surf. But once the summer ends, does it snow at the beach? Well, on Delmarva, sometimes it snows a little more than many of us would like. 40 years ago on Delmarva, snow removal was pretty much unheard of as the winter population was tiny. Bulldozers and plows on the front of garbage trucks did the job, but now millions of people call Delmarva home. But snow can still bring life here to a standstill. A foot of snow fell the day after Christmas in 2009, but our harshest month is actually February. And February of 2010 brought not one, but 2 blizzards in less than a week. They dumped over 4 feet of snow on Delmarva. Yep, it snows at the beach.
When the long night starts to run, you will hardly see the sun in the winter. There's no place to go, 'cause you'll get lost in the snow in the winter. You're running for a while, but you're running out of style in the winter. I'm feeling lost and sad, and I just wanna stay in bed in the winter. 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 I get warm in bed all day. It's the only place to stay in the winter. My bed is built for 2. It's so empty without you in the winter. I need a friend with me. I just need some company in the winter. I hope you understand when I phone you at the end in the winter. 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 You say it isn't near, and I say I want you here in the winter. And finally you're there, with too many clothes to wear in the winter. It's wonderful to see how you're getting next to me in the winter. But loving you ain't nice, 'cause your hands are cold as ice in the winter.